Happy Tuesday, guys. It is time for phonemic awareness, and it is week 1, day 2. So let's get started as we always do. Ready? 3 deep breaths. Arms up. Good, and we're gonna catch those clouds. And did you guys know that when you take one hand and you cross your body, it's called crossing the midline, it really helps to activate your brain. And it tells your brain, hey, we better pay attention. Those hands are going everywhere. So it's time to do that. Okay, ready? Catch those clouds. Comes the sun, rhyming rainbow, golden thumbs. All right, guys, so you guys are going to tell me whether the words rhyme, or if they don't, you're going to give me a thumbs up if they rhyme, a thumbs down if they don't. And remember, we can tell if a word rhymes if it has the same ending sound, okay? So here we go. All right, tip, lip. Ip. Test, rest. Very good. Shoe, blue. We are on a rhyming roll. Coat, boat. Yeah. Feet, foot. They're the same thing, kind of, but they don't rhyme. Bed, head. Sometimes I look like I have a little bed head. Red, green. No, those don't rhyme. Okay, guys, next we are going to grab the beginning sound of the words. So if you don't mind, please activate those grabbers. Whoop. All right, we're going to say, I'll say the word, then you guys grab the beginning sound. Here we go. Puppy. Good. Magic. Good. Napkin. Sunflower. Good. Table. Good job. All right, now we are going to blend the words, okay? So I'm going to chop, then you're going to blend, and as you know, I like it smooth like butter. I want those blends to be nice and smooth. Here we go. Sun, burn. Good. Foot, ball. Roof, top. Birthday. Flash, back. Week, end. Day, dream. Rain, coat. Home, work. Black, top. Good job. Now what we're going to do is we are going to be finding that ending sound and then punching it up. So we're going to pull the word and then punch up that ending sound. So put them up, put them up, put them up. Here we go. Ride, ride. D. Hat. T. Mop. P. Globe. B. Give. Crumb. Pick. Good job. Next, what we're going to do is I'm going to blend, you're going to blend, and then we're going to chop. Ready? Goldfish. Basketball. So we're just chopping the words, okay? Does that make sense? So these are compound words, meaning that it's a single word that actually, when chopped, has two words. So that's all we're doing with this one. I should have said that before. Sorry, guys. Windshield. Blackberry. Downtown. Backpack. Cupcake. Upstairs. Wallpaper. Watermelon. Good job. Okie dokie. Now what we're going to be doing is we are going to be adding a word to the end. So we're going to be creating our own compound words now. Okay, so we're going to have one word, add another word, and then create a new word. Okay, here we go. Over. Add night, and the word becomes overnight. Very good. Suit. Add case, and the word is suitcase. Down. Add stairs. Rain. Add drop. Snow. Add flake. Head. Add ache. Hand. Add shake. Handshake. Good job. Now we are going to be deleting a word. What are we going to tell that word? Get out of here. All right, guys, ready? Fingernail. Fingernail without nail. Finger. Good. Railroad. Railroad without road. Rail. Good. Seafood. Seafood without food. Blacktop. Blacktop without top. Okay. Downtown. Downtown without town. Good job. Everyone. Everyone without one. Good job. Bookcase. Bookcase without case. Playhouse. Playhouse without house. Play. Good. Afternoon. Afternoon without noon. After. Good job. Okay, next, we're going to be substituting words, switching them out. I like to call this presto changeo switcheroo. I bet I can trick you. All right, let's try. Goldfish. Change gold. Ooh, we're changing in the beginning. Change gold to star. It's starfish. Good. Starfish. Change star to shell. Shellfish. Good job. Shellfish. Change shell to sun. Sunfish. Good. Sunfish. Change sun to jelly. Jellyfish. Good. Jellyfish. Change jelly to cat. Catfish. Good. Catfish. Change cat to blow. Blowfish. Good. Everybody give me your best blowfish face. Okay, let's focus. Okay, next. Blowfish. Change blow to clown. Clownfish. Good job. And clownfish, change clown to gold. Goldfish. Good job. We're back at goldfish. Okay, so now it is time for our alphabet knowledge. All right, so we are going to look at the letters, and we are only going to say, yesterday we said the letter names and the letter sounds. We said the letter is and the sound is. Today we're just going to say the letter name. For example, T. T. Okay, so just the name and just the sound. Okay, here we go. Ready? T. T. C. K, and S. Because remember, K for cat, S for circle. Let me get situated here. Okay. U. And U. L. Ul. Y. Y. K. K. Q. Qu. A. And A. B. B. M. M. O. And O. J. J. S. S. And Z. I forgot to say that yesterday because let's say cows. Cows. See, S can make a Z sound too. You learn something new every day. I. And I. N. N. V. V. H. H. D. D. P. P. F. F. W. W. G. G. And J. Because goat and giraffe, they both start with J. R. R. E. And E. X. X. As in fox. And Z. Z. Fantastic job. Thank you very much. Now, what we are going to do is we are going to say sentences and count the words that are in the sentences, okay? So, listen, and then we'll count together. Our classroom is special. Our classroom is special. And I bet all your classrooms are so special. Okay, the sunshine is warm. The sunshine is warm. Very good. Is the playground fun? Is the playground fun? Well, I hope so. Did you bring your backpack to school? Did you bring your backpack to school? 7. Good. Did you guys notice in there that backpack is a compound word? Backpack, backpack. But it only counts as one word. All right, last one. Today is a good day to learn. Today is a good day to learn. It's 7 words, and I agree, today is a great day to learn. So we are all done. You guys worked hard. Give yourselves a great big pat on the back and one big firework clap. You guys are awesome. I hope you have a great day. Remember, thank your teachers, be kind to your friends, and don't let the love for learning ever end. All right, bye, guys.